Hey guys, this is Alex Girlfriend Redneck here. I got me my 18th birthday present, and I'm really excited about this. This is going to be for my mountain bike and my mini bike. And if you see what my mini bike looks like, you're going to see why I got this. Take a look at this mini bike. Do you think there's anywhere to hold cargo on this thing? Absolutely not. The fact that I bought the hit shows why. And so basically I made a video, or had some suggestions from several YouTube channels that I absolutely love. One of them being Total Control 871. Shout out to him. I like some of his videos, especially his cycling videos. HUSKY SHEPARD, who also made a review on this. And I think another guy. I think he has a unicycle. He's in Canada or something, but he has a different model. So shout out to all those YouTubers, and shout out to my friend Baller City 21, who also goes to school with me. This is the Aosom Elite bike cargo trailer that I ordered on Amazon, under 90 bucks, which was very good for a deal. So let's unbox this thing and see how it goes. Alright, we are now open, and let's start pulling stuff out. These are the side bars. This thing's pretty good size. This is the cover. Oh man, oh wow, that is pretty nice. Uh-oh, a little bit dirty. Ain't good. Our wheels. Oh wow, look at these wheels. Remember when Total Control, he was like, look at those shiny and new. Ooh. That was probably the best part about it. And just like how he said it, nice chromy wheels. Man, if my camera dies, I'm probably going to switch to recording with the GoPro. So if you notice audio changes, try not to be bad. Here are a little satchel of tools and stuff. And main body. Oh my gosh, this thing is freaking huge. Of course, this isn't a YouTube video. Well, that's pretty good size though. It folds up so I can store it in my closet or under the bed at the lake house, where I'm actually going to use this thing. Probably going to use it on Sunday when I'm salvaging stuff or something. And this trailer is pretty much assembled. All you got to do is just put the stuff up like this. The side bars. Hits comes out. And yeah, we're going to build the wheels first before we build anything else. Alright guys, I got one wheel on. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the other wheel. It took a long time for me to get that horseshoe washer figured out. Oh crap, the bearing got kicked out just like in Total Control's video. But put that thing right back in. Alright. Gonna put washer number 1, washer number 2, and now I'm gonna have to get that notorious number 3. Oh no, this is the number 3. After watching Total Control 871's video so many times, I think I don't even need the instructions, but for the sake of it, I got some pictures right there. Good. Ain't that good? That's pretty good. But unlike HUSKY SHEPARD and Total Control, I'm going to be making a video of the bikes pulling it. Not in here. This is just an unboxing and assembly video. There's going to be a feature overview and demonstration in the next video I make. So if you're here for that, don't worry, I'll be back. This is just an unboxing and assembly video. And so I'm going to be working with number 3 because it's a two-hand job. I will be editing it. Alright, that actually took pretty quick, and as you can see, that horseshoe washer is really doing its job. And what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how to attach it to the axle. I think I'm an idiot for doing this thing inside because this thing is huge and won't roll outside. Alright, this is quick release, just like the front wheel on my mountain bike. And that went right in. And now it's locked. And now we're going to do the first thing we're going to do is pull out this hits. Cotter pin. Hits comes out. hitch goes back in. There we go. I can't wait to make a video with the GoPro and stuff when I actually assemble this thing. Oh my gosh, this thing is big. This thing is bigger than I thought it would be. But then again, real life is not a YouTube video. We're going to put in the other quick release wheel. Alright, we got the wheels on, and I'm going to try to Total Control said this is warped sometimes. Nothing looks warped. I'm going to try to get that on. Now I'm on getting this one on. Hey, that went right in. Easy breezy. I think this looks very good. It looks great. This thing's like half the price of my bike. My bike is a Schwinn Ranger. Don't worry, I'll make a video on that real soon. It's approaching 5 months. And once I get the other stuff on, I'm going to bring it outside and see how it looks fully assembled. Alright guys, since we have the trailer outside now, and now that it's on my bike, all I took was my 15mm wrench, put the hits in front of the washer, and then tightened the nut down. And then I hooked up the cotter pin thing, then I wrapped it around there, threw the pin, and made a little safety strap. And the trailer's on my bike. It's a Schwinn Ranger 26. I've had it since September. I bought the bike after the hurricane, actually. I think that was a good thing to do. It looks really, really cool. The things look really cool. I like how the black sort of stands out from the red, like black and red. That is super cool looking. I like it. Now, in Husky SHEPARD's video, this thing was gray or silver. And then in Total Control's video, this was black. Leaf in there. This thing has a large capacity. As a matter of fact, I can sit in this thing. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh gosh. I'm gonna edit that out. Maybe I shouldn't edit it out. Okay. Maybe not sitting it, or not on uneven ground, but if I had like some sort of stand there to help protect it, like what a real trailer would on the road would, once they'd have a little jack there, but this ain't a road trailer. Okay. Okay, you could probably hold a person if the bike was balanced. If this is a tricycle, I'd definitely sit in it. But, oh well. That's just a little stupid but funny moment there. These tires, wow. Might be getting different tires for this thing eventually. Maybe if I ain't gonna fit those big tires on there, like 26-inch tires. If it'd be the same size as the bike, it'd look callywumpus. But yeah, the trailer is now on the bike. That's my got an under saddlebag and a headlight, and my bottle cage. And now I'm gonna ride the bike because so far, like, barely anybody rides bikes in their videos like what they're supposed to. All right. Fun fact, this was actually a crime scene about 2 weeks ago as of filming this. I heard gunshots, and then there was a dude on that thing. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. So, I think that place is haunted. But I ain't going to videotape about it, because I'm not Logan Paul, and I'm not going to do the crap that Logan Paul does. I'm pulling the trailer with my bike. It looks very good. It feels really good. Like, whenever you're driving a truck, because I go to races a lot, and I bring my golf car, whenever I'm in my Ford Escape and I have my 6x10 trailer on with the golf car, once I start accelerating, I really feel the weight. This is somewhat like that experience with the bike cargo trailer and suit. This thing is like really super cool. I like this. Oh shit! Oh shoot! Pardon my language, ladies and gentlemen, and kids that are watching. I'm gonna make like wider turns because I don't want to mess with the tires on this thing. And heck, yeah. Now, I'm probably gonna leave a bonus footage with this thing being pulled by my gas-powered mini bike. With more videos on that thing too. But yeah, this is Aosom Elite II Redneck, and I am out. Well guys, I know I said I wouldn't make a video, but I have enough juice in the camera to continue filming this. This is what the mini bike looks like with the trailer on. I'm not going to make a video on it with the mountain bike because the mountain bike does not have a hitch yet. And I recommend you do not do this with your mini bike. I'm a redneck, so I probably don't know what I'm getting myself into. We're going to drive this thing and see if the trailer's going to last. Let me hold the camera with my left hand. It holds it really nice. I don't recommend going any faster than this. I'm not going to go any faster than this, even if I'm on the main road. Probably a little bit faster. Alright. Oh shit. Shoot, I dropped my camera. I think I'm going a little bit fast for this. So I'm just going to go at an even cruising speed like this. It actually pulls it pretty good. I like the way this thing pulls. It pulls really good. I have to brake earlier though, because this thing actually has a bit of weight to it. Let's see if the gate is open. The plumber guys are here. This is where I'm going to wrap up this video. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Aosom Elite II cargo trailer. This is Aosom Elite II Redneck and signing off.